Oh, you can't slip the Rocky Dupe through my home tag. No.
Good?
Yeah, mate.
Ben from Smoking Hot Confessions here at the Townsville BBQ Battle, presented by Mike Carney Toyota. I got to tell you, it's the middle of winter and it feels like the middle of summer. It is ripping here today. Got the surf just over there, we've got beautiful sunshine, and of course we've got Chef Ivon here from BBQ Fairy, who does wonderful things for the community with his barbecue. Mate, how are you enjoying Townsville?
Oh, you can't slip the Rocky Dupe through my home tag. No.
Good?
Yeah, mate.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
It was fantastic, mate.
Okay. Rightio, good stuff. So what's drawn you to this competition?
We haven't competed in a couple of years, so decided this year I had to get into a competition. It's been a while. Let's just do it. And about 4 weeks ago we made that decision and we're here.
So it's like a coming out of retirement party?
In a way, yeah. In a way, we've competed a couple of times back in the past, but yeah, to come out and actually do it again is, yeah, it's like coming out of retirement.
Yeah. And you're bringing a new weapon to the competition as well?
Yeah, this is the first time for the competition for the big girl. I've had it for nearly a year now. You wouldn't believe that's nearly a year. It looks beautiful.
Looks brand new.
Yeah. It does an amazing amount of work for me. It's about 30 gigs I've done in the last just under a year.
Wow, that's like every other weekend you're out there.
Nearly, yeah. Some gigs have been back to back, like do one, pack up, go set up, get ready for the next day. And it's been great. I can't complain. It's a nice piece of gear.
Yeah. So HogPit Smokers are a real up-and-comer in the smoker manufacturing scene. What is it that drew you to Jamie and his work?
I saw some of the work on TV and then I called him up and had a bit of a chat with him about his services. The way he spoke to me was just fantastic. You know, he spoke to me fantastic and he told me he could do it. And when I made the final decision, he had it to me really quickly. He can't do it so quick anymore because he's that busy, but he got it to me relatively quickly and I was able to have it. Yeah, it was fantastic. The night he dropped it off, the very next night I had it burnt in and running.
Beautiful, man. So give me a rundown on the details, sizes, weights, all that sort of stuff.
Okay. She's, her name is Buffy, after Buffy the Vampire Slayer. She's a 24-inch unit. She's the only one that was built not on a trailer. He hadn't built a 24-inch on the trailer. Usually it was his 20-inch. 2 shelves on the inside, double insulated firebox. Weighs around about 800 kilos.
Wow, 800 kilos.
750 to 800 kilos, yeah.
So why did you go for it not on a trailer?
Just for the stall. When I do a stall with this, I will only run it at 4.5 by 3. Yep. So if I can put that as part of the stall and inside a fence, it's good. Normally we roll it off here, but I figured for the comp, I've got 6x6. I got room, just leave it on the trailer.
Mate, much better idea than trying to push 800 kilos up and down off a trailer.
Yeah, mate, yeah. And especially on grass, yeah, definitely.
Yeah. For our American viewers, that's about 1,750 pounds, something like that. Yeah. So that's a big girl.
Oh yeah, she can be quite heavy.
Yeah. So do you find that it cooks any particular protein the best?
I like using it with brisket. It's got a really good... Once you find, as with any pit, any hot spots, cool spots, I find this one's really good. I can get 5 briskets in this beautiful spot and cook really well.
Ah, interesting stuff. All right, well, look, I realise that it's time for you to start getting ready for some hand-in, so I'm going to say thank you very much for your time and enjoy this beautiful pit.
Thank you very much, mate. Always a pleasure.